from start to finish, the whole process of getting a denture or a fixed roundhouse, they're similar in the fact that we see it for initial consult. We do offer free denture consults, and that includes the 3D cone beam scan, and we do that so we can evaluate what bone you have left and decide and determine which areas we're going to place the implants. And then we also plan what type of restoration that you're wanting. If it's the acrylic, temporary, semi-long-term denture made of acrylic, we put you in a temporary the same day that we extract the teeth, and that temporary can also work into a long-term denture if we are retrofitting an existing denture. But we will bring you in, if it's a retrofit, we'll bring you in, place the implants, mark the existing denture where the implants are, hollow that area out sufficiently to receive the little micro housing that holds the O-ring, and then we reapply that into the denture, and it snaps in, and you go walk out of here with your denture. We do ask that you try to leave it in for 2 to 3 weeks, and we see you every week just to see how you're healing and then evaluating, and at that time we take it out and clean it and put it back in, and eventually we get to the point where you're taking it out and cleaning it, and by then your implants are stable. The other option is a semi-permanent denture. It's made out of porcelain. There is a certain amount of lab time that's involved in making that porcelain prosthetic, because it really is a prosthetic device. The lab bill for that's definitely more expensive than the acrylic portion or the acrylic denture. So in the interim, you'd be wearing a temporary acrylic denture, and we usually have you wear that again for 4, 6, 8 weeks, just depending on everyone's individual time frame of healing. And once all the healing's done, everything's stable, then we transition you into the semi-permanent porcelain denture, and that usually takes the lab 10 to 12 days to make that, and then we put you in that. The roundhouse is very similar to that, where you will wear an acrylic or semi-permanent temporary denture until the healing is done, 6 to 8 weeks. After that, we'll transition you into a full ceramic roundhouse. It may require 1 or 2 try-ins to get the bite just perfect and to get you happy with the teeth shape and function. And once you're happy with it, we're happy, and we glue it in. It becomes yours.